Hello everyone, welcome back to Credible Pick. If you've ever wondered why a blender is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal, today's showcase of Ninja blenders will make it crystal clear. These machines aren't just about smoothies. They're your best friend for soups, sauces, dips, and so much more. We put over 40 blenders through their paces to bring you only the best of the best. Ready to see which Ninja models made the cut? These top 10 picks are more than just blenders. They're game changers for anyone ready to transform their cooking experience. Let's explore and discover your next kitchen hero. And for easy access to any of these models, check out the links in the description below. Number 10, Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender. Set up your blending game with a sleek, portable design of the Ninja BC151BK. A true powerhouse for those on the move. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts and busy professionals alike. Despite its compact size, it packs a punch, effortlessly crushing ice and mixing fruits to create the perfect texture every time. Chargeable via USB, this blender ensures you can power it up anywhere, from the office to the outdoors, making it a staple accessory for any setting. It comes with a 16-ounce cup that not only fits most car cup holders, but also serves as the ideal size for single servings, enhancing its utility without bulking up your baggage. Key highlights: compact and lightweight, ideal for travel and quick trips. USB charging capability for blending anywhere you go. Consistently powerful performance, ensuring smooth results. Whether whipping up a post-workout protein shake or blending a breakfast smoothie in a rush, this blender stands ready to deliver top-notch convenience and quality with every use. Number 9, Ninja BL642 Neutra Ninja Personal and Countertop Blender. Enhance your kitchen's efficiency with the Ninja BL642, a blender that seamlessly combines personal and traditional countertop functionalities. Perfect for both small and large tasks, this device meets all your blending needs, whether you're preparing a quick smoothie for one or a batch for the whole family. Equipped with Auto IQ technology, the blender features smart programs that automatically adjust blending times and patterns to ensure optimal results every time. Its powerful motor and pro extractor blades break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds for nutrient-rich juices and smoothies. Key highlights: versatile design allows for both single servings and full pitcher use, intelligent blending with Auto IQ for perfect results, and strong motor and blades handle tough ingredients with ease. Number 8, Ninja QB900B Master Prep Food Processor Blender. Experience the convenience of the Ninja QB900B, a multifunctional blender that simplifies your kitchen routine. This unit excels in versatility, seamlessly shifting from a blender to a food processor with its interchangeable pod. Whether you're chopping vegetables, blending smoothies, or preparing dips, this machine adjusts to your culinary needs without missing a beat. The Pulse technology empowers you to control the texture, ensuring your ingredients are chopped, blended, or minced to perfection. The blender's ergonomic design includes a no-slip base and splash guards, keeping everything clean and stable during operation. Key highlights: switches effortlessly between blender and food processor with unique pod system, pulse control for precise texture management in all your recipes, and designed for easily handling and clean use, enhancing kitchen efficiency. Ideal for busy cooks who appreciate appliances that can do it all, the Ninja QB900B offers a practical solution for every task, making it an essential tool in any kitchen. Number 7, Ninja AMZ 493BRN Countertop Blender. Elevate your blending experience with the Ninja AMZ 493BRN. a robust countertop blender designed to handle everything from your morning smoothies to weekend party mixes. Its sleek design fits perfectly under most kitchen cabinets, and its powerful motor ensures that you can easily crush ice, blend nuts, and puree fruits and vegetables with efficiency. The standout feature of this blender is its total crushing blades, which make quick work of ice and frozen ingredients, providing you with smooth, even textures every time. The intuitive control panel offers a variety of settings to suit any task, making operation a breeze. Key highlights: features total crushing blades for perfect ice crushing, blending, and controlled processing. Compact design fits under kitchen cabinets for easy access and storage. Simple interface with multiple settings to handle a variety of blending tasks. Number 6, Ninja SS151 Twisty Blender DUO. This model stands out with its innovative twisty technology, which allows you to twist the blade assembly during blending, ensuring that all ingredients are pushed back down for a smoother blend without any manual stirring or shaking. The dual-purpose design includes both a full-size pitcher and a personal blending cup, making it suitable for large batches or a quick single-serve smoothie on the go. The blender's smart torque is powerful enough to handle heavy loads without stalling, maintaining speed and efficiency for creamy results every time. Key highlights: innovative twisty technology for better blending and smoother results. Includes both a large pitcher and a personal cup to cater to all serving sizes. Smart torque handles dense ingredients without stalling or slowing down. Ideal for those who value versatility and efficiency, the Ninja SS151 Twisty Blender DUO adapts to your lifestyle, whether you're preparing a large meal or just a quick snack. Number 5, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Transform your daily nutrition intake with a Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, an essential for anyone seeking a quick and convenient way to whip up nutrient-packed smoothies and shakes. This compact powerhouse fits seamlessly in any kitchen or workspace, making it ideal for small living spaces or for taking on the go. Despite its small footprint, this blender doesn't compromise on power. With pulse technology, it provides precise control over the consistency of your blends, whether you're crushing ice, blending fruits, or grinding nuts. The included sip and seal lids make it easy to take your drinks directly from the blender to your day's activities without any fuss. Key highlights: compact size, perfect for tight spaces and on-the-go portability. Pulse technology allows for controlled, consistent blending, and comes with sip and seal lids for convenience and portability. Now, number 4. Ninja BN401 Neutra Pro Blender. This model shines with its ability to deliver professional-grade smoothies and shakes thanks to its powerful motor and pro extractor blades that extract maximum nutrients and vitamins from whole fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Designed with user convenience in mind, it features intuitive push-to-blend controls that make operation as simple as a single touch. The compact design is perfect for small countertops, and the dishwasher-safe parts ensure easy cleanup. Key highlights are: pro extractor blades deliver smooth, nutrient-rich beverages by fully breaking down whole ingredients. Push-to-blend control offer hassle-free operation for quick and consistent results, and a sleek, space-saving design that's easy to clean and maintain. Ideal for health enthusiasts and busy individuals alike, the Ninja BN401 Neutra Pro Blender offers a quick way to prepare nutrient-packed drinks, ensuring you get a healthy start to your day or a nutritious boost whenever you need it. Number 3, Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. This blender is a powerhouse, featuring a robust motor that powers through ice, frozen fruits, and tough vegetables with ease, delivering perfectly smooth results. The 3 present Auto IQ programs takes the guesswork out of blending, offering unique settings for smoothies, ice crush, and purees. These programs adjust the blending cycle for optimal results so you can achieve professional quality textures at the touch of a button. The large 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for making large batches of soups, sauces, or smoothies for the whole family. Key highlights are Auto IQ technology that provides intelligent blending programs for perfect results every time. Powerful motor handles tough ingredients to create smooth, even textures, and large capacity pitcher perfect for family servings or entertaining guests. Now at number 2, Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System Blender. Step into the world of culinary versatility with the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System Blender, a multifunctional powerhouse designed to cater to a variety of kitchen tasks. Whether you're blending a batch of smoothies, kneading dough, or chopping veggies, this system is equipped to handle it all with ease and efficiency. The 1500-watt base provides the power you need to crush ice into snow, blend nuts into butter, and pulse vegetables into salsa. The comprehensive set includes a 72-ounce pitcher for large quantities, a dough blade for effortlessly mixing, and two 16-ounce cups with lids for personal drinks on the go. Key highlights: our powerful 1500-watt motor ensures high performance for all types of preparations, includes multiple attachments for blending, chopping, and dough making, and comes with personal cups for convenience and portability. Perfect for families or anyone who loves to entertain, the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System Blender offers the performance and versatility needed to explore new recipes and culinary techniques in your kitchen. Coming in now at number 1, the Ninja BL660 Professional Blender. Meet the Ninja BL660 Professional Blender, the pinnacle of blending technology and the ultimate choice for those who demand the best. With over 102,270 global rankings, this blender has secured its spot as the number 1 choice for both professionals and home cooks who seek unmatched performance and reliability. The BL660 stands out with a powerful 1100-watt motor capable of handling the toughest ingredients with ease, from dense vegetables to whole fruits and ice. Its sleek design includes a 72-ounce pitcher for large batches and single-serve functions, making it as suitable for family meals as it is for personal nutrition shakes. Blades are engineered for precision and durability, ensuring consistently smooth textures every time. With this blender, you're not just making food, you're crafting experiences. The 3-speed setting, along with a pulse function and single-serve option, gives you complete control over every blend, ensuring perfect results tailored to your needs. Key highlights: it boasts an impressive 1100 watts of professional performance power and includes both a large pitcher and single-serve cups, enhancing its versatility, and ranked number 1 over 102,270 global ratings for its superior quality and performance. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie or preparing a culinary masterpiece, the Ninja BL660 Professional Blender delivers exceptional results that elevate your blending game. And there you have it, the top 10 Ninja blenders that can truly transform your kitchen and the way you enjoy your meals and drinks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Credible Picks for more trustworthy reviews and updates. Have any thoughts or questions about today's picks? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you.